Hello, Crypto Tester here. Welcome to my introduction to Basic Attention Token rewards. So after installing the browser, you may find a notification where you can click it and you can claim some bots, as you can see here. I recorded when I was first offered one, and you will have just to verify that you're not a bot by moving, for example, the triangle in a square or something like that. As you can see, the confirmation was quick. I got 40 bots, and now I will demonstrate how you can send some tips to a website. I will just begin with mine because I registered it in Publishers, and I will also put a link in the description so you can also register your website or YouTube channel. I just searched in Google Crypto Tester YouTube. Now if you go in the Brave browser on the top and you click the triangle, you see here Brave Verified Publisher. That means that the website can accept tips. I clicked send a tip, and here in the options I can select 1, 5 or 10 bots. I select 10. Then I click send my tip, which is confirmed with a thank you. Now I will show you how you can see that you receive the bots from tips like that. If you browse to the brave.com website and you're a content creator, you click creators. You can create an account by clicking become a creator, but I already have one. So in my case, I will just click login instead of get started. Then you enter your email, but no password, and you have to go to your email and click a link to get in. And you have also to enter a two-factor authentication code with Google Authenticator or OT. And finally, you're in. The dashboard of Brave Rewards looks like this. You can see that I have 90 bots on the top left. You can see statements. Now, for example, I just click one to download, and instead of showing you your page, it offers you to download an HTML file, which is also not very good user experience, but yeah, so far that's how it is. You can see a balance of bots I received so far. Let's have a look at the dashboard again. You will see that your Uphold wallet is connected. So what does it mean? I had to register to the uphold.com website, and I also had to provide my identity, do the KYC, and I've seen YouTubers complaining about this, but guys, Brave wants to be compliant with the US law, so that's how it is. If you want to receive free bots, you do it. If you don't want, you don't do that. Anyway, you can see that there is a two-factor authentication to log in. After getting in, you will see in the dashboard a bunch of cards with different currencies. I click the bot one because this is the one with some balance that I want to withdraw. So you click on send, then you scroll down and you go to basic authentication token, and then because bot is a ERC20 token, you have to enter an Ethereum address, the amount you can check, use all available funds, and then if you want you can enter a message, which in reality is just a comment in your uphold.com history, because you cannot send a comment in an Ethereum transaction. You confirm, and then you will have a two-factor authentication for security. Just know that after sending the transaction, here confirm, the process can take a few minutes, so be patient. You can go to the activity and see the status, in this case processing. Alright, after a while you can go to etherscan.io and verify your address. In particular, you will have to click the ERC20 tokens transaction tab, and then you will see, like in my case, 47.5 bots at the top of the transactions list. So I hope that this video helped you. If you didn't install Brave browser yet, please give it a try. You can see the link in the description. Smash the like, subscribe, and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.